Don't be a wicked servant. I am sharing with you what is written in Matthew 18:32-35. We're told, then the master called the servant in. You wicked servant, he said, I cancel all the debt of yours because you begged me to. Shouldn't you have had mercy on your fellow servant just as I had on you? In anger, his master handed him over to the jail to be tortured until he should pay back all he owned. This is how my heavenly Father will treat each other of you. He has mercy upon us. He will forgive us whatever mistake we did. God had mercy upon us every day.